Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to check out Gala's price chart. And I believe in the previous video we were right around this high, and the idea was that this might be a wave 1 correction for 2, 5 up into wave 3, and we have to see a correction for 4 and yet another move on the upside into wave 5, followed by a correction structure on the downside. That was mainly the topic of the previous update. That's all I would say pretty much played out, except this. Let's hide everything. As you can see in this move down in Gala, we actually took the lowest low down here, meaning we are really not allowed to consider this thing as an optimistic and bullish setup. Sure, this might be still a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but overall most likely it's going to be into a C leg of some sort of a flat structure, probably I would say starting from this high, and if so, this is an A, B, C running flat. Now question is, can we argue the final low in Gala is already up? So here is what I have in my mind. I think this move on the upside is actually a 5 wave. This is a strong move down followed by probably an ABC on the upside. So in the short term, we may see yet another move down. Also, I think there's a good chance this is starting from this high, an A, B, C in form of an expanded flat, and what is going on starting from this point. You can consider two different scenarios. One possibility suggests this is just a simple ABC zigzag, which kind of got confirmed when in this move down we took the low of our B leg about, let's say, 1.8 cents. In another case, you can consider this thing being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulsive structure, and you can argue the low in Gala is already in. Now, let's say, okay, we are looking bullish and optimistic. In that scenario, I think the only possibility that so far at least we are allowed to consider is a series of 1-2s. This can be 5 up into 1 correction for wave 2, and then what we need to see is a very strong and sharp move up into wave 3, 4, 5, which on a higher degree at that point, this white 5 wave up, it's going to be into a wave 3 and then correction for 4, another move up into wave 5. On the other hand, if you want to say that this initial move up off of the lowest low is an ABC, okay, then I think you are having a good argument for this whole move on the upside to be just a simple ABC flat structure. So what should we do at the moment? First things first, I think for the next couple of hours, maybe like the next 10 to 12 hours, you should probably expect yet another move on the downside. Second, in this move, what really matters is this. Are we going to take this low down here about 1.82 cents or not? Why? Because if we take it at that point, we need to kind of ignore any kind of bullish scenarios and say this is an ABC flat and our move down most likely is not over yet. And here is my final point. In Chainlink, if you check out the video, we said we are having a couple of highs which are very, very close together, and usually a lot of people are going to put their stop losses for their short positions above the highs, so the price has a tendency to destroy them all, and that's why I argued we are going to get a move on the upside. Now in Gala, we are having kind of the opposite situation. Let's hide everything. Okay, as you can see, these lows are very, very close together, and I'm gonna say this, these are looking very, very juicy, so we may see actually a move down in Gala in order to take the lows. And I want to be very clear. In my opinion, Gala overall is absolutely bullish as long as we are not taking actually this low about 1.45 cents. Any kind of move down overall, I believe should be interpreted as just a simple corrective movement, which means after it's over, hopefully we are going to see some massive, massive upward price action. So for the short term, let's have a move down. And during that phase, all eyes should be on taking this low or not. If we take it, at that point, our move down most likely is going to continue a little bit more. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Gala's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.